moache ebia wo Canada na US of A wo de ade anchiwu na wo China membo a memo ha ebia wo bia e ma ho sepe se wo do afidie ato Adom TV eye kasamfoni fidie a obetie Nkuranhyensem me am tidwuma am de dwumadi ho chia me ye frɛ me Apostle Dr. Nita Kotegu utimi twa ne tiawa eni Nita Kotegu a meje so na anu krachi bi hia mo se na ni udin di Nita no eba ne se na osu atwi na me se wote hefa o se me wo German na me se vigate o se vigate die better na me se wo ka German kaza eba ne se na Ghana ni abrante wo so akosu German kaza eba ne se na wo so te brofo kasa bia ni ho a obesua wo hunu na kasa dodo e manage yensisu timi chance won sua me so men kran no mena gbe ne wakpe Adom TV wo bia ke meni he wo mekoma mi sha me ye jele meni he wo mekoma ko na me da na me ye fitumo o ke mo ko ne dwanten ko na ka che twula ese da na etu ehin da na mi efu me pie anise ne ani na afia me ka bi ahyi alo na me da ni bi ko na me nta na me na le twa me mfu ka wura ho bebre nkwada senior e de ye onkwada abremu empo wonyini ye ensem bia wote ne bi ankoye no e na aye omabufuo a wona nyie enti anigye ejina wo so saa so e na wura ho ejina wo so ene de me be share one reason why most people don't have happiness and a friend of blockers to happiness enyoma esi wanigye kwan ba ko na meka kire we wankasa wo de na esi wanigye kwan osese mi kunu ebomia bema bo bema no yebo nsam osese mi yira nyaduane a wayaduane a wantimi nkomu ka se you see ye wonua ba bia esi enigye kwan emfiri obi efiri wankasa me de mepe meka de mepe na wo nchiremu ena de enigye ba ma wo anampo eba ma wayira ho se me wo hia me na ka se meti so a me da ase se wa hu se meti so meti kase kire nyansa wom se me bonfui obi so hia no na ka se oti kase he me na se na ne buafu eya wo se da wo kire mu faye anyhow you felt your feelings are dictated by the interpretations you give to your life circumstances and events that occur every day in your life. Your feelings are as a result of the constant interpretations you give to the things happening in your life. The one reason why you are not happy is this: you compare yourself to others too much. Nientia when no, and it's what want to turn crofo. Your deepest hindrance to a happy life is not that you are inadequate. Ade di kan esi wani je kwan kire se unsem fata. Your deepest fear is that you are not sure you can have happiness even if you try it. Bebre ena wade won to nkrofo madam fo mi na we school papa we na me ne nam bro so wakoya MP se da wa yie ye ka wo twie mi nam fom obu a ne bro no so obi dan no hwe edan we dey fese me dey se o ta de won to nkrofo ho a wo ye ha na enije eparo ya na bebre ada na wo chief justice ona brabo so na pa na osinkonya wona adwen pro so judge accuse me na je onu ankasa accuse no ho obo no ho sobo edna akogina court ona adwen pro so ya wo fo se obi ayeye ene aje na akire obi ahwo fe na ne ho nye fe obi atare ye na ne de enye obi ampaboa me ma nya mpaboa bi anhye me de ma nya we se meja ewiase. Many people are just sad because they draw pictures about people that are not true. If you work social media, wako hwe obi ye friend nipa ne Nita Kotegu wa hihye wa makeup kama ye brand ye wonfo media na me ho nye fe ade media me nipa wan ka say me ma nye makeup eni machi emfa bon ho sobo e ma were ho eni obi a hwe ne TV so achi e ma ho sobo e ma were ho. You see, you feel you are just living a life of nothing when you compare yourself to others who have gone ahead of you. They've taken the lead. Nothing will stop you from getting there if you find happiness in what it takes to rise up. Baby, I will be a duno, but me a boatra. Nia will be yono, but me a ye a manai for sensa. And honest of a penny, Bepa who brassier, Bepesio Hunyan san, no chana muntio, bre, ubidru. And young pepper, and your yaw dear, and I will walk and a dobeco, a yanijie. And to me so say, when Nigia or Ningino, when I walk can some, ya would don't want to talk for whom, Jai says Subano. Here, Jahomiana pay, and every away. Ne Fabi Bra, Nadenya Miase, a win shira or dear shira one so. Shenema miensa or Abrabomo, Abamo and Yaje. Nipedia. One quan. Empo, a homia on home. One was I know my men's away. More in so. Then Yamiase. The Yamiase said, one now hospital them. No more than you say, when you will be other fridge, or much to say, and num. None of your say, what you mean, Nante, a cassa, and will be to us. Then Yamiase said, we nipa, when you do, and I win your baby. What you mean, a near myself at Tanyara. So, what you know, say, dear, or Brabono, when you need a jaro. So, what did want to be one? Not emphasize what to be home, abo honso bo. So, what shady panasu, like I said, with the mayor, abo tradia wayeno. Some first subambia fini pan ho. Na me debu mi bra na ye. Yes, I may share no na me no me ho abo me ho abo mfia. You see, when you don't compare yourself to others, you allow others to become mentors to your life. The moment you compare your life to others, there's always a deficit that will create sadness in you. People will say, hey, and Ghana, and this America, and America for the way ye, and Ghana ye bre, and then say China, hey, jai yo jai. Nebisa ho say. Ne ba ne sen na China for ye jawo ne ba ne sen na America for ye se suba no betimi afa bi na gya se wo do to nkofo ho na di awira ho na mpani je no na koyo ni mensa osara ne on ne yire da bia no mo sire o mo dan mu me da mi kunu o tete mi nsire awira wo na medie etide ede na koyo ni adwoa one ye ya e ma o are efe na ese wusua na gya se wo do to nkofo ho ene dai Jai se wo don ho toto nkrofo ho na pani a wo ye na sua bi na pani je na futu ama tona muntu wate onyame nhira o onyame ma wani nso ne awo ho na pre ne eye papa ema ho na ne je enkura wa na pa wi na nyimre aha na meja wo me co production room na mada Kevin Thomas na eja we be campedo ase maba camera na mada Thomas na David ase na mada sound Frank na Osmos ase wa onya amrehwe bi no woni onyame entina